Okay, so today we're going to be dividing fractions, or dividing rational numbers, but it is fractions that we're going to be working with today. So you have an example here that is a 6th grade level question. Okay, so 6th grade, you saw problems that were just basic, just numbers, no word problems. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, before you can divide, you have to do Texas. Okay, so you have to do, or the backward C, so 5 times 4 plus 1. So 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So you have 21 over 5 divided by a negative 1/2. Okay? But when we divide, remember you have to do KCF. Keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep the first one. We're going to change our division to multiplication. And we're going to flip our last fraction. So it'll be a negative 2 over 1. And then you would just multiply top with top, bottom with bottom, the way we do multiplication and simplify. So finish solving that one out. Just multiply top with top and bottom with bottom. And then, of course, you have to simplify. All right? So pause the video and then come back for the I do.
Teachers, please allow students into your classroom at this time.
Sorry, guys. Okay, so this is the first I do. It says, Nathan is cutting a roll of biscuit dough into slices that are 3/8 inches long. If the roll is 10.5 inches long, how many slices can he cut? So the roll is 10.5 inches long, and he wants the slices that are 3/8. Okay, and we want to know how many he can cut. So if he's cutting them, of course, you're going to divide. So you're going to do 10.5 divided by, oops, not 1/8. 3/8. Okay? So remember, you have to do Texas, the backward C. So 2 times 10 plus 1. Yes, that's 21. Over 2 divided by 3/8. But then remember, you have to do keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep the first one. 21.5. We're going to change division to multiplication, and we're going to flip our last fraction. Okay? So now we're going to do 21 times 8 and 2 times 3. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. 21 times 8. Well, 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 168. So you would have to simplify that. And to simplify that, you have to do NIDO. Okay, numerator in, denominator out. So 168 divided by 2. And 6 goes into 48 8 times. So he can cut 28 slices. Okay. All right, so this is our we do. It says a 345 1/5 meter length of cable is cut into pieces that measure 1/4. So this is the length of the cable, and we measure it and cut it into 1 1/4 each. Into how many pieces is the cable cut? So again, you're going to divide. So you're going to have 345 1/5 divided by 1 1/4. So first things first, you have to do Texas. Okay, so 345 times 5. Plus 1 is 1,726 over 5 divided by, okay, and then Texas again. What do you get there? 5/4 is correct. Okay, so now you're going to do KCF. Keep, change, flip. So you keep the first one. Change division to multiplication and flip your last fraction. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so you're going to multiply 1,726 by 4. And then you're going to, that's going to be your numerator. And then you're going to simplify. Okay, finish that up. Okay, once you finish that one up, you're going to go to the you do problem and finish that up and do that one. And then once you do the you do, go ahead and get started on your formative that is in Google Classroom.